Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add extra baggage in KLM Airlines. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step, because what I'm going to tell you is what it says on the official website. So the thing is, you can do it by just heading over to the official website and clicking on my trip, and from there you can buy additional items of baggage, which is up to 23 kg per item, and it should be done at least minimum 24 hours before departure. Let's say your flight is on 25th October 7 p.m. You should do it minimum before 24th October 7 p.m., 24 hours. And when you head over to their official website and by searching for extra baggage in KLM Airlines, this website will come up, and if you just click on buy extra baggage, they'll ask you to log in, and from there you can do it. Another way is to call their call center and letting them know that, hey, I have extra baggage, I want to add it, and they'll let you know. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.